this is Lalzer owned, and today I'm going to show you how to make an XP grinder with a skeleton or zombie spawner. In this video I would have, as you see, the skeleton spawner. I was searching around and I found it. So yeah, I'm gonna start with creating a room. So first, what you need to do, you need to create a room 9 by 9. You will create that easier by removing the blocks. It needs to be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks from each side, like from this side, from that side, from every side, like 4 blocks, and then the wall. So that will increase the maximum spawning of skeletons, and the room that skeletons or zombies are spawned in can't have any light in it. So yeah, be sure to remove every single torch that you have put. So yeah, I'm gonna keep destroying this stone and cobblestone. See, so this is 3, one more. In survival mode, you're unable to remove spawners, so the created room will be just perfect for it. After I finish these walls, I'll show you the next steps for your mob grinder. I'm gonna close this. Yeah, here it is. Here is a room 9 by 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 9. So the next step you're gonna dig 2 blocks, probably, because if you set this some water source in this way, probably skeletons will go stuck here. And if it is only 1 block deep, like this, they will still stuck there, and they won't be able to fall into the hole that we're gonna make. So yeah, 2 blocks are just enough. You can do more, but I prefer 2 blocks for increased spawning and maximum rate of spawning. I'm now at a peaceful mode, so that's the reason, because none of these skeletons aren't spawning still. So yeah, I'm gonna break all this. My antivirus just updated, so I lagged a bit. So here it is. Yeah, you see. Put this in here, and it doesn't matter from what side you're putting water. Just do like this on this side. Put everywhere water, and then dig like this. One more layer, I can say, one more part. Only this one will be actually the 3 block high, and the options will set on normal mode. Yeah. Probably the one skeleton spawned because of the torch, and you see he's there. And every single peaceful man options I'll set on the normal again when I finish this. Probably this is it. This is the build spawner. You just need to make a hole down to the ground, if you wanted them to be one-headed. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wait. I actually fuck up myself. I'll just replace this stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 blocks, or 19, whatever you want. Yeah, and here is the place where the skeletons will fall. what you need to make sure is that the spawner is working. So I'll check that in a second. Probably you need to be 24 blocks close to the spawner, I think, so he will work. Probably I glitched a little, so I think that spawner is working perfectly. I'm just gonna put here a stone slab so the skeletons won't be able to shoot me, or I'll just create like a spiral stairs to the way out, something like that. Probably the spawner works perfectly. And torches. Let's put some torches, or go use a light like glowstone or something. Yeah. Let me see why it isn't. Wait. Oh crap. Wait. Probably I should be spawn now. I don't know which way, but I think it is this way. Or I have climbed up. Oh, I'm just gonna go that way. Probably something got wrong, and maybe the skeletons are dying from the full damage. Maybe they're not. Yeah, they. Probably there is some sort of light up, or there isn't. Normal spawning skeletons. I'll just take sword. I think they will be more hit it with the stone. Yeah, they will hit it in the stone sword. Not even a crit. This guy has Gino, so that's the reason why harder hit him. Probably you need to make sure that you have build your spawner well, and you need to make sure that you have like done everything right. Probably if you do put here something like the place will gonna hit them, probably will be much easier because put like your half slab so the light won't come up. You see, light is not coming up and you're like nearby. Yeah, you see. Probably you need more hits, but still it is more efficient. Not like more efficient. You need more hits, but you're like more sure that the spawner is working. So yeah, they are skeletons. And that will be all for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching and bye.